Hi, welcome. This is Clemens at Elector. In this video we will have a look at the VTSS 230 2-in-1 SMD hot air rework station from Velleman. This is a soldering station with two soldering irons, a normal one and a hot air blower. On my lab bench there are two soldering stations, one for precise SMD type work with a fine tip and the second station for high power work with a fat tip. For really big pieces I use a hot air gun. I also have a hot air soldering station, but it takes up too much space, so I only set it up when I really need it. This is a shame because it would see much more use if I could leave it on the bench. To desolder SMD parts, I either go around the part and heat each pin little by little, or I use both irons at the same time. This is not very easy, but works well on two terminal devices. Desoldering large components or parts with many pins is easier with hot air. If you are in a situation like me, then you might be interested in the VTSS 230 2-in-1 SMD hot air rework station from Velleman. This is a space-saving device that combines a traditional SMD soldering iron with a hot air iron. It isn't a fancy station, but has everything you need and is about as big as a normal station. Each part has its own power button and temperature control, so it really are two independent soldering irons sharing a base station. The normal iron is a 24 volts 60 watt iron with a sharp pointy tip. The VTSS 230 comes with one tip, but there are 5 more available as options. The temperature is adjusted with up-down push buttons from 50 degrees Celsius up to 480 degrees Celsius. The temperature display units can be set to Celsius or Fahrenheit with a slide switch. A heavy metal stand with a thin sponge is included. The hot air station is a 300 watt device with adjustable temperature from 100 degrees Celsius up to 500 degrees Celsius. The airflow is controlled by turning a potentiometer. The ventilator is built inside the handpiece, so you should not cover it. Holding the handpiece is easy as it is not heavy. 3 nozzles are included. When the hot air iron is in its holder, it is put to sleep. This makes it last longer and saves a bit of energy. Removing the blower from its holder wakes it up and it will return to its target temperature. This works faster if you hold it vertically and use a strong airflow. Reduce the airflow to avoid blowing away small components. In the box you'll find the normal soldering iron, the base station with the hot air blower attached, a holder for the normal iron, a holder for the hot air blower and a little bag with 3 nozzles for the hot air blower. All in all, the Velleman VTSS 230 2-in-1 SMD hot air rework station is a pretty cool, or should I say hot, station addition to any lab bench. Okay, that's it. I hope you found it interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap or click the bell button. Thank you for watching.